You have tried positive thinking. You have tried affirmations. You have tried vision boards. And manifestation still feels like a guessing game. Sometimes it works. Most times it does not. You wonder if you are visualizing wrong, or not believing hard enough, or if the universe just does not have your back. Here is what no one told you. Manifestation is not about faith. It is about neurology. Your brain runs on patterns. If your subconscious pattern says, "People like me struggle," no amount of positive thinking will override it. That is why I built the R.I.C.H.E.S framework, a 6-step cognitive rewiring system that replaces vague advice with a daily checklist. No need for guessing. No, just trust the universe. Just a sequence you run like a recipe. The letter R stands for recognize your current manifestation story. The letter I stands for interrupt limiting thought loops. The letter C stands for craft sensory saturated intentions. The letter H stands for hijack your reward system with micro wins. The letter E stands for embody the identity shift daily. And the letter S stands for surrender the how to subconscious processing. Users report evidence of manifestation working within 48 hours. Not weeks, not months, 48 hours. A 73% reduction in frustration loops. And the complete elimination of the question, am I doing this right? The R.I.C.H.E.S framework is available as a complete PDF operating system. The link is in the description and in the first pinned comment. Run the 20-minute minimum viable version today. See the difference for yourself.